Meaning of desultorily.
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 Desultorily. The word desultorily means to do something in a disconnected or random manner, without a clear purpose or direction. It usually implies a lack of focus or commitment to a particular task or goal. When someone performs an action desultorily, they may start and stop repeatedly, shift their attention to other things, or not follow through on their initial intentions. This can lead to inefficiency and frustration, as well as a lack of meaningful progress towards achieving their objectives. In short, performing a task desultorily often results in wasted time and effort, with little to show for it in the end.